I guess our specific role in this whole partnership is to provide technical support and experience and input into the design. It's been great working with 1+2 to date. They've really sort of taken the leadership in the design process. So yeah, the outcome I'm sure is going to be fantastic by the end of it. So we've looked at major viewpoints around the city, and we've looked at the spatial requirements that we need to develop the building envelope. And that gives us, I guess, a starting point of starting to carve into that a building.
So one of the challenges has been to get the massing right. So we're within the building envelope that we've established, and I guess from within that we then have been focusing, I guess, on creating vistas, both distant and to the foreground, because it's all part of the experience of being on the mountain.
So while we're doing all of that, we're also considering the services and how we actually make this building function. There are major challenges that we're working through, trying to find the best solutions. We're trying to minimise the use of water as much as possible. We're looking at recycling grey water wherever we can. We're also looking at performance solutions which might avoid things like having to sprinkle the building, so we can avoid having large tanks and other things too. So
one of the challenges is the incorporating the construction system into the building, which goes hand in hand with working up that massing, and will, I guess, lead into resolution of the cladding system in conjunction with the glazing fenestration system.
The mountain itself is quite fragmented. The colours and the textures, they change a lot depending on the different light. So we're really working hard on trying to break down the mass, but not break it down so much that it becomes messy. There are still some elements that we're not happy with the design, and we really want this to be the best building that we possibly can make it. So we're not rushing through that process at all, the design process. Every time we have a go at it, it gets better, and we're having to throw out some of the things that we thought would work, and they haven't worked the way that we thought they would. But yeah, we're comfortable with the way that it's heading, subject to further refinement.
I think one of the things that we are comfortable with at the moment is the way people are moving through the building. We're setting up a really nice sequence of spaces which create really nice experiences for people to get both intimate views back to the mountain and distant views down into the city of Hobart.
To be able to allow people to experience this place year-round, I think is a really great thing, and I think that's one of the things from talking to a lot of people before we started the job, that they could really see great value in what we're doing. It allows the environment up there to be appreciated and experienced.